So now I'm going to use it all over the face using the retractable brush. You can use the powder puff and you can use it all over the face, but you will get a really good coverage then. To the point where a lot of people don't use any kind of base or foundation underneath because it's got the coverage. Because remember, it's a baked cream, so you're never going to feel like you're putting powder on top of your skin. You're always going to get that liquidy, creamy finish that's really luminous without being too shiny. So you can use this in so many different ways. It can be used simply as a contour to really make the cheekbones pop. You can use it alongside blush if you want to. You can use it on its own. When I do beauty editorials where I have to give a really sun-kissed effect but very, very natural looking skin, this is a great one to use completely on its own with maybe just nothing but a bit of concealer. Today I have on a little bit of concealer and mascara and eyebrows and a lip balm. So you can use this as a subtle way to sculpt the face by taking it almost like a sort of V shape around the hairline and down the cheekbone. A little bit on either side of the nose and underneath the jawline. So that's a really basic way to sculpt a Tahitian glow, but if you want more of a bronze, you can use it all over, which I'm going to do now, because I want you to see how natural this can look when you really build it up. With these pigments being baked, if you add more, you don't really look like you're wearing more makeup, you just look more bronzed. This is one of those things that I think you're going to notice a lot of compliments on your skin when you use it rather than on your makeup. So I've used this on the paler skin tones, the most porcelain skin tones that you can think of. I've used this on the face and the body, and it will always give a natural finish. On the really deep, rich complexions, I would say that this is not going to make your skin darker looking, it's not going to give it the bronze, but it will give it an incredible texture. It'll make your skin look sumptuous, hydrated, almost like a really good highlighter that can be used everywhere. That kind of soft focus filter effect. So I'm just going to wet my brush and I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. This is something that I quite often use as an eyeshadow on those days where I want the look to not really be about eyeshadow. It's one of those flattering everyday colours that's very fresh, very luminous, really wakes you up. You do have that tiny bit of pearlescent pink in there, so it has a very brightening effect, especially if you've got tired eyes. You can take it underneath the eye too, which I like to do because it ties the whole eye together and gives that soft, smoky but almost undetectable hue. If you're in a hurry, take your retractable brush, push it up, and you can create that perfect socket effect by just pressing the edge of the brush into your socket line.